Hi all, this is Get Inspired, and this time I would like to encourage you to learn the Hungarian Rubik cube. Here it is. I mixed it all up. If I can do it, you can do it. So I try to prove it that I can do it under 2 minutes. I've got my little timer. Here it is. And also you can trust me. So ready, steady, go. Right, the first thing is to do the white cross. Okay. And then we put the corners at the right place, but I'm not there just yet. According to my friend, no one's gonna watch the video because 2 minutes is too long, and actually the record holder can do it under 6 seconds. So yeah, I'm not there yet, but you know, this is a good start, and if you get inspired, it was worth it. Okay, so the corners are at the right place now. I start the second layer. Good. Not there yet, not there yet. Maybe I should put some music on to entertain you while you're watching it. Right. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, last one. Got stuck a little bit. Right. Now finish the second layer. The last one is so front, right top, front. Good. I've got the fish. Got the second fish. To do this one. And now finally to do a counter. Doesn't matter which one actually, counter 1, 2. And then do a counterclockwise 1, 2. Done! Done, done, done! Ready, ready? Right, ready? 1 minute, 50 seconds. Here we go. So if I can do it, you can do it. Get inspired. Good luck.